Hello friends, welcome to my channel Government Examination. Thank you for the last time comments, subscription and watching the channel and the videos posted on my channel. Today we are going to show how to register for the AIBE examination 16. So before going further, I would request you to kindly like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the further notification and videos. Before going further, we have to first see that we have to open allindiabarexamination.com. After that, on the left side column, there is an click that registration AIBE 16. On that we have to click it. Once we'll click this, a new page will open in which it is written all the things. Upload all the required documents, photograph, signature, photo ID and enrollment certificate. All the documents should be self-attested. And what is a self-attestation? You have to self-attest. You have to sign your document with your own signature, and that should not be in capital letter. Any document uploaded without self-attestation will be rejected, disqualified. In case you have uploaded wrong documents, you can log in again with your registration ID and password after payment and upload the correct document. Please note that in AIBE 16 only the bare acts are allowed without notes. Once the documents and information of the candidates have been approved by BCI, the candidate can't log in again to make any changes. So we have to see that how to enroll, how to register for the AIBE 16. Suppose the enrollment is for Delhi, so we'll click on D for Delhi. Number is, suppose as a random number we'll take it 6724 and year as 2019. After this, it is shown that it is already registered, so we have to choose another number. So this is available, so D67, and we have to do it and then we have to accept it. Once we'll do an acceptation, we have to write the name of the candidate. So here we are typing only an example: Amit, here Kumar, then male, then father name, Kumar, then date of birth. So we are randomly filling it in order to make you understand how to fill up the form, and in this we'll put the date of birth. After this, you have to see that the name should be same as appears on the enrollment certificate. The enrollment certificate which you have got it from your concerned bar council, and you have to fill all the entries according to that itself. Your name, father's name, even your date of birth should match with the enrollment certificate details which you have registered, which you have given in the concerned bar council. So I'll mention house number, it is coming as in wrong. HN 13 Delhi, city we have to write it Delhi. Then we have to write pin code 110001, and state would be Delhi, and if the address is same, you have to click on this box, checks is this correspondence address and permanent address are same. Then you have to put your email address. Then you have to confirm your email address. After that, you have to put your mobile number. And then name of the college from where you have passed your LLB degree. Suppose KY College. And you have to put the course duration of LLB. If you have done 3 years, 5 years or 6 years. 3 years for those who have done after graduation, 5 years for BLLB, and some university they do 6 years. So here for example we'll put 3 years, graduation stream in which graduation you have done, so we'll put BCom, year of admission in LLB, so we'll put admission year as 9 and passed in, because in 3 years or 4 years whatever you have done, 3 years whenever you have passed out you have to mention that. Master degree if any you have to mention that. And after that state with code, again you have to select with the same number which you have mentioned. Okay, so we have fresh and 20. Then we'll do next. So here this form will appear like this. Candidate type, if you are fresh you have to click on fresh. If you are repeating it then you have to press on repeat. Category general, OBC or SC/ST. Then are you a disabled candidate, you have to put yes or no. If case of disability you have to mention all this. You did extra time, no. Choice of examination, so you have to choose the examination center. So suppose we'll put New Delhi NCR, then Noida, and then Ghaziabad. So question paper in which language you want to give, English, Hindi, all these languages will appear like this. So you have to mention in English or Hindi. Then you upload your photograph here, and you have to upload your signature, and then your self-attested enrollment certificate you have to attach. And the photograph size should be 10 kb to 50 kb. In signature also you have to upload the signature between 10 kb to 50 kb, and the enrollment certificate only 50 kb to 500 kb. You should notice one thing, that only JPG, JPEG images are allowed. No PDF or other images will be uploaded. Then after that self-attested photo ID proof like PAN card, Aadhaar card, your any LLB, your advocate iCard. So you can upload anything. After that you have to acknowledge on these two columns, and then you have to save. Once you will save this, then after that it will take you to the next site. So in this, and that is how we can fill the AIBE 16 exam. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the like button and watch the complete video to understand the process, and also watch the complete video and press the like button, bell icon and subscribe button. Thank you.